Here in this table, month, sales rep, type and amount is given, and the questions here is in description total number of entries. We have to calculate the total number of entries over this table. Let's start here with count. A. In order to calculate the total number of entries, total number of cells, we have to use this A, count A. We'll use all over this table. Close the braces, enter. We got the answer. So this value is excluding all the empty space. It doesn't include the blank spaces. Okay. So next, the total number of blank entries. We have to calculate only the blank. So we have to use to count blank and select the range. We receive two blank. We have two blank entries. Next, the total number of new type. So we have to calculate COUNTIF. The range is new type, range, criteria is new. Close the braces, enter. Next, amount more than 100 and amount which is less than and equal to 200. So we have to calculate COUNTIF as if there are more than one conditions. The criteria range one is amount and the criteria is greater than 100, close quotes. Criteria range 2 is same range and double quotes less than and equal to 200, double quotes, closing. Okay, so we have received the amount only for 4 entries are the amount. 4 entries which are there more than 100 and less than equal to 200. Okay, next, the January sales for Brooks that exceed 1000. Let's use the formula of COUNTIFs as if there are more than one condition, and the criteria range 1 is month. January is the criteria and the criteria range 2 is, we can take it as Brooks sales rep and the criteria is Brooks, comma the criteria range 3 is exceeds 1000. So amount which exceeds 1000, more than 1000, double quotes, close the braces, enter. We have received the answer. Okay, let's go to the next exercise. Here a table is given with date, time, product, region, customer type, call duration, resolved, satisfaction ratios, ratings, quantity of upsell. So we have multiple columns with multiple criteria. Let's start with first criteria. How many entries we have done in call duration? Okay, so here we'll use how many entries we have done in call duration. So call duration is this column. We have to use count A and we'll select on call duration, comma, and the value is, oh, we just have to use this range alone. So we'll use this, we'll select this cell or range, close. We have received the answer. So next, here if I in case of counting the entry part, whenever I use the COUNTIF formula, we should not click on the range, as because if I click on this range, this call duration cell entry also will get selected. So in order to avoid that, I should not use the range. I should select the range directly. So I have received the exact amount excluding this filter option. Next, how many blank cell we have left in from the entire table? Count blank. Entire table we have multiple blanks. We cannot able to calculate in a way. So we have 3 blank entries in the entire table. Okay. Next, how many entries done from Midwest only? So we have to use COUNTIF formula as there are conditions. So COUNTIF, the range is Midwest, which is region, and the criteria is Midwest. Close, come up. We have got the answer. How many desktop we sold from Midwest? As there are multiple conditions, we have to use COUNTIF as mentioned, COUNTIFs, and the criteria range 1 is, we'll go for product, and the criteria is desktop, and we sold from Midwest. So region is the second criteria, range 2, and Midwest is the criteria for that. We have received the answer. Next, how many SME customer buy laptop from Midwest? So we have to use COUNTIFs. Criteria range 1 is SME customer type, and the criteria is SME. Criteria range 2 is laptop. Either way you can put this is the criteria range 1 and this is criteria range 1, nothing gonna affect. So criteria range is laptop, range, region, laptop. Criteria 3 is only from Midwest. So region is Midwest. Close the braces, enter. We have received the answer. If you have any doubts, comment me in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.